Okay. Hi guys. Yeah, I'm a Jamaican boy. Good afternoon. Yeah, today I'm going to prepare for you. I'm going to prepare a shower, a local shower. Yeah, I'm going to prepare a local shower, and not that I'm going to prepare only. I'm preparing, and also I will bath inside the shower which I'm going to prepare. This is the material. This is the material I'm going to use. As you can see, this is the price. This price I'm going to use it to tight, yeah, to tight the wire which I'm going to use. As you can see, this is the pipe. This is the pipe. Yeah, this is the pipe I'm going to use so that the water we're going to pass inside here till to the where I'm going to. Okay, let me show you this one here. I think this one is a container which I'm going to use. Yeah, this container I'm going to use. I'm going to put water inside this one so that I put up. Yeah, and this one here is a chandarua. We call it chandarua. Okay, I'm going to use it. I'm going to use it to cover the. I'm going to use the chandarua to prepare the bathroom. Yeah, the bathroom. As you can see, we have the tree here. Yeah, I'm going to use this to. I'm going to cut. I get pieces so that I use it to prepare my shower. Okay, so guys, continue watching, subscribe, please subscribe, comment, like, my friends. Yeah, continue watching. Welcome again, and let me start. I'm going to start, so please watch and enjoy.
Unajua na record
au una pause sasa. This is a panga. Yeah, this is a panga. I'm going to use it to cut. I'm going to cut this tree into pieces. Yeah, so that I arrange it. So that when I get the place to place my container there. As you can see, I'm going to use this rope to get the measurement of what I will prepare. I'm going to use this rope for measurement so that I get equally measurement. Yeah, so this is a nail. Yeah, I'm going to use this so that I connect this branches. Yeah, connect this one. Yeah, this is a hammer. As you can see my hammer here. Okay, yeah, it's amazing hammer. This is amazing hammer. Yeah, this is a prize. I've already told you. We are joining the trees together. Yeah, as you can see, I've joined three of them to one join. This is the big one. Okay, yeah, now I have to join here so that it gets strong. Yes, let me show you. This one and this one will be there, so that let me turn it this way, then I put it here like this one. As you can see, it's too hot. It's too hot, so I have to bat. Yeah, as you can see, the wind is blowing, going. This one is north, east, southwest. So the wind is blowing to west. Okay. Yeah. Now it's too dry and hot. It's too dry and hot. Yeah. That's how I'm preparing this one, so that I have to bet me to. Hey, it's too hot, man. Wenye walinitangulia hilo. Okay guys, as you can see here, I've already prepared. This is the holder. This is what I will put upside, so that my container I put on it. I'll put my container on it so that I pour water inside. Okay, let's continue, my friend. Continue watching. This work is too hard, man. Okay. Yeah. But this one, you put it here. Eno yangekuonekana. Okay, this one which I'm putting here, this one is for stepping, so that I go up. Yeah, this one here I'm doing my, yeah, we call it ngazi. I will use it. Which I'm putting here is the stairs. I'm going to use it to go up. Yeah, to put my container there. So I'm going to prepare first my stairs. Yeah, ngazi, we call it ngazi, so that I step here, so that I will put another one here, so that I use it to take my container upwards there. Okay, don't let's go on, man. These are three. This is what we call it. We call it severus. Is this what? Huh? This we call it severus. Let's call it severus. This is the severus, yeah, yeah. This one, when it come big, yeah, the people they do they do they do use it to prepare their house, yeah, and it's used it too like a firewood. Okay, yeah. Let's go on, man. Continue watching, my friend. Yeah, now as you can see here, I've put 3 stairs. These 3 stairs will take me upwards, so that let me prepare another stair upside, so that when I come from downwards, I got into the second stair. Okay, yeah, let me prepare the another one upside here. Yeah, you can. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh, this one now, right? Oh. Yeah. Sasa. Okay, so guys, I've already finished to prepare my stair. Yeah, so I have to put up here the something which will hold me while preparing where I will put my container of water. Yeah. So continue watching. Fuck. Have you ever seen a local shower? Yeah, so today I'm going to prepare for you a local shower. Yeah. The recording. Now I have to put another one like this. I have to put another one here so that it gets balanced. As you can see, I'm using 4 inches. 4 inches of nails. Yeah, 4 inches is what can which can enter in this size of trees. Yeah, it means 6 inches it will be bigger than this tree, but 4 inches it fits. 3 inches cannot fit totally. Yeah, that's why I'm using 4 inches. Okay, yeah, this is 4 inches. Now this one here have been strong. Even I can sit myself. Okay, let me try to sit. You see, now even I can put here 200 liters. This one here can hold 200 liters. Yeah, 100 liters, 50 liters. Yeah, even if you put 500 liters will fit. Even when you put 1000 liters, yes, it can. Okay, now I'm going to bring my tank, my lockout tank here, up here, so that I fix. Yeah, so I show you how I will prepare to be like a shower. Okay, let me now go down. Oh my god, wow, this one here is strong. This one is very strong. Yeah, let me bring now the container. First I will wash it because it was dirty. I'm going to wash my container so that I put water, clean water. Yeah. Okay guys, now this is the container I'm going to use, yeah, to prepare my tank. Okay, yeah, this is the container I'm going to use to prepare a tank. Okay, let me go and wash it. You see inside it's very dirty. I'm going to wash it. Okay, to wash it, and I bring it, I put upside there so that I get out the inside. Let's go. Sini kutu masuk. Ando tira mpaka andichokiri. Now as you can see, my container is clean. Now I'm going to put upside so that I come and the fresh water I go and put inside. Let's go. Okay, I'm going to put this one downwards, yeah, and this one I put on it because this one to be safe, huh? Yeah. Okay, now I've put this one here, so my container is I'm going to put it on top of this one here, and then my container is here, so I'm going to put it this way, yeah. And before I bring water inside, I'm going to connect my pipe. Yeah, my pipe, so that it will bring water downwards. Okay, yeah. Tangani hwaya hwaya
kama gani?
mai hihansa no gi hwaya ngane nini prize bring me prize. Okay, thank you. Now guys, this is the pipe I'm going to connect from my container here, from my tank here. Yeah, so you can after I've put this one here, I'm going to tight it with this one here. This one here is a wire. Yeah, I'm going to put it here. Oh, this one here is small. It's have been small. Let me take big one.
Akisendera Kim.
Now guys, I've tightened it, and it's strong now. It cannot break. Okay, now Now this one here is a pipe which I'm going to use, yeah, to remove water from the container, yeah, to down there. Okay, now I've remained to put inside here only water only. Okay, yeah, now let's go down there so that I connect my shower. Okay, yeah. Okay, now this one here, yeah, this one here, as you see, I have cut a plastic. This was a plastic. Okay, it was big, but I've cut it so that I fix it here. Yeah, this one is this one is for bulb, eh? Yeah, this one is that what, how can I call it, eh? Okay, as you can see, this one is okay. Let's see the work which we'll do. I'm going to remove, I'm going to make the hole on it. Okay, oh, now as you can see here, I've already made holes. Okay, I've already made holes, so I'm going to put it on the pipe. Let me fix this one first. Okay, now as you can see here, yeah, this is the hole. The pipe will enter here. The pipe will enter here, so that it's pour water inside here. Yeah, this one here will move water like a shower. Okay, now let me fix it on the pipe. Okay, continue watching, my friend. This is the pipe, and this is the container which I've made. Now we are fixing the container inside. Now as you can see here, I have already fixed my container to pipe. Yeah, now I have to put it in the right direction, so that when the water comes from upside, it's calm in the mid here. Yeah, let me put it here now, here in the mid here. Now guys, as you can see, this one here is a stick. This stick will help me. Yeah, I will not each and every time go up there to switch on the water to come. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to tight it here so that it's going to help me to open water up there, yeah, and to switch off water up there. Now I'm going to tight it here. Let me tight it here. I think here. Praise. Okay, now guys, I've finished to tie this stick here. Now I'm going to prepare. Yeah, I'm going to cover. Yeah, I'm going to prepare my bathroom now. This is where I'm going to bath. I'm going to prepare using this one here. You see this one here. This is the chandarua now I'm going to use. No. Okay guys, now as you can see, my bathroom I've already make it. Okay, yeah, now what remains is to bring water, in a container so that we see how it will bring that water. Okay, let me continue. Let me remove this one here. Okay, now I'm going to do cleanliness. Yeah, here to my bathroom. This will be my daily bathroom. I'm going to be bath here each and every day because I'll make my only shower. Yeah. Now let me do some cleanness. Okay, I've done. Now I'm going to bring water, then I take shower, or I bath. Okay, Yeah, let's go. And bring water, yeah, so that it gets out of bed, okay? Eh? Now guys, here, this is my water I want to pour in my container. Yeah, I'm going to bring 3 times. This first round, I'm going to bring another one, okay? Yeah, I'm going to bring another one. Yeah. Okay, now let me go for another. Let me go for another water. I want to put till this one, till this container to be top. Okay guys, this is the third time. This is the third one, okay? Now it's enough. The water is enough. Yeah, this one is enough. And this one, yeah, it's remain up here. We will not return it inside because this rope will be oza. It will be oza, okay? Yeah, it will become old. Now I lost my borehole. Now I have to. Hi guys, as you can see, the water is tough now. Let me now bet, man. I have done a lot of work. I'm tired, man. As you can see, oh my god. Now I have to bet. I have to bet now. Guys, now I have to bet, yeah? My shower is already, it's ready, man. Now you have to see how. Let me open the water up there. Yeah. Now my water, as you can see. Oh, ooh, ooh, my shower is already, man, as you can see here. Ooh. No.
Imetosha kuoga. Nimulikia.
Sasa ntemi kicha. Ibichokyo idipi. Okay guys, as you can see now, I'm on the finishing point. Yeah, I'm now clean. I've already prepared my shower, please subscribe, likes, comment, please guys. Yeah, I'm a Jamaican boy, and this is a village. Yeah, I'm on the village. Yeah, now this was a shower, and I've already finished to prepare it now, and I've already finished to bath. As you can see, this is the water. Yeah, this is how water come from. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, this is what remove water here. Ooh, this is water, man. Yeah, it's come from up there. I put my shower, my container is there. As you can see, oh my God. Ooh, yes, my friend, please subscribe, comments, like. Okay, now let me put off now my water. Let me put off now. Oh yeah, as you can see, I put off. Okay, now no water come. No water. Ooh, please guys, subscribe, watch, enjoy, like, and comment. Yeah, bye.